Hello everyone! In this session, we will walk through the step-by-step process of disassembling and assembling of a computer chassis. So take note that you have to handle all the components with care. So before we start, make sure that the computer is unplugged or turned off from the power source, and ground yourself using an anti-static wrist strap.
Step 1. Remove the side panel. To remove the side panel, we're going to use a screwdriver. Using the screwdriver, unscrew the screw that holds the side panel. Once you unscrew the screw, you can now slide the side panel off and set it aside.
Step 2. Disconnect all internal cables. Gently disconnect all internal cables, including power and data cables, connected to the motherboard, storage devices, and GPU. Remember or label where each cable goes for easy reassembly. Step 3. Remove peripheral devices. Unscrew and remove any peripheral devices such as the graphics card, sound card, or network card. These are often held in place by screws or clips on the motherboard.
Step 4. Remove storage devices. Unscrew and slide out any hard drives or SSDs from their base. Be sure to detach any remaining power or data cables connected to them.
Step 5. Remove RAM modules. Push down the clips on either side of the RAM slots. Once the RAM pops up slightly, pull it out straight and carefully.
Step 6. Remove CPU cooler and CPU. Unscrew or unclip the CPU cooler. Gently lift it off. Thermal paste may make it sticky. Then, unlock the CPU socket latch and lift the CPU straight up out of the socket.
Step 7. Remove the power supply. Unscrew and slide out the power supply unit or PSU. Make sure all cables and screws are detached before removing it from the case.
Step 8. Remove the motherboard. Finally, unscrew the motherboard from the case standoffs. Carefully lift it out, making sure no cables or components are still attached. Now let's move on to reassemble the desktop computer by reversing the steps. Step 1. Install the motherboard. Place the motherboard back into the case, aligning it with the standoffs. Secure it using screws. Step 2. Install the power supply. Slide the PSU into its compartment and secure it with screws. Route the power cables neatly through the case. Step 3. Install the CPU and cooler. Place the CPU into the socket and lock it in place with the latch. Apply thermal paste if needed, then carefully attach the CPU cooler.
Step 4. Insert RAM modules. Align the RAM modules with their slots and press them in until the clips snap into place.
Step 5. Insert storage devices. Slide your hard drive or SSD into its bay. Connect the necessary power and data cables. Then secure the drive with screws.
Step 6. Install peripheral devices. Insert your graphic card or other expansion cards into our respective slots on the motherboard. Secure them with screws or clips.
Step 7. Reconnect all internal cables. Reconnect all power and data cables between the motherboard, storage devices, and other components as needed.
Step 8. Close the computer case. Carefully slide the side panel back on and secure it with screws. Your computer is now fully assembled.